What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best wall-mounted ironing boards. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Household Essentials Stowaway Cabinet. Easily the best wall-mounted ironing board cabinet, the Household Essentials 18100-1 Stowaway cabinet can be installed in either wood or metal studs. Note that it only comes with hardware for installing it on wood studs, so if you intend to install it on metal studs, you'll have to purchase the needed bits separately. The board comes pre-installed and measures 11.75 by 41 inches. It's designed to open 10 above the bottom of the cabinet. Knowing this, it becomes easy to make your wall cutout at a suitable height. Further, you can adjust the height by 2, so you'll be able to use the ironing board at a comfortable height. This board swivels 180 degrees, that's 90 degrees to the left and 90 degrees to the right, to accommodate both left and right hand use. To use, adjust the bolt that is located on the underside of the board to loosen it and allow smooth rotation. Adjust the bolt in the opposite direction when you're done to tighten the rotation. It comes with 2 storage shelves for your accessories, with the bottom shelf having an allowance of 1/6 and the top one 1/2. Also included is a hanging hook where you can keep your clothes as you iron. The board features an oak door, even though the interior is made from MDF and isn't as strong as a solid wood interior would be. Number 4. Iron-Away Built-in Ironing Center. The Iron-Away Built-in Ironing Center is designed to make the ironing process as smooth as possible. This wall-mount ironing board is made from durable ventilated steel, with rigid support brackets that are custom designed for ironing. Its extremely good quality takes away any worries you may have about the board coming apart or otherwise getting damaged as you remove it or put it back into the cabinet. The board cover is made from a polycotton blend that is soft and smooth, just the surface you need to lay your clothes on as you iron. The cabinet where the board is encased measures 5'2" h by 1'5" w with a depth of 7/3/4 inch. Use this to correctly measure your cutout. The board itself measures 4'2" from the wall to the tip of the board and has a 24-inch ironing space, standing room. You'll need 1/6 of door clearance on the right side for the door to open fully. To ensure absolute safety during and after use, the ironing board comes with a 60-minute motor timer. So you never have to worry about accidents should you forget and leave the iron unattended. Similarly, there is a disconnect switch that automatically cuts off power to the unit when you lift the board into an upright position, allowing you to leave the iron plugged in at all times. And lastly, it has a large-size hot iron storage area that fits irons of all sizes, where you can keep the hot iron after use. Number 3. SEI Furniture Wall Mount. The SEI Furniture Wall Mount Fold Ironing Center comes fully assembled. All you have to do is fit it in and you can use it right away. It's made from MDF, with a built-in mirror on the outside. This is a well-constructed unit that should serve you for more than a decade. The board opens and folds easily, thanks to its simple design. When fully open, the extended length of the board is supported on one leg, which is located at the extreme, pointed, end of the board, with the wider end of the cabinet held and supported by the cabinet, in this way ensuring that the unit is balanced and sturdy during use. The cabinet measures 4'2" h by 1'6" w and has a depth of 7, with the board itself measuring 3'8" l by 1'4" w and 3'0" l on the outside. This size will fit perfectly in a standard 2x4 stud, so it won't be a hassle for you to make a cutout in your wall if your house has regular-sized studs. It has 3 storage shelves, all with a height of 1'3". The middle shelf is designed as a storage area for the iron, with extra space for a couple of accessories, so when you've finished ironing, you place it on the shelf for safe storage. Number 2. Ivation wall-mounted ironing board. The Ivation wall-mounted ironing board is one of the sturdiest wall-mounted ironing boards you can buy. It has a perforated steel frame for guaranteed support, stability, and durability. This is complemented by quality anchors and fasteners, so when you install the board, you're assured that it will stay in position and will not come apart with regular use. One thing we like about the frame is that it's only 13.5 wide, so if your wall studs are smaller than 2x4, you can still install it. If your studs are 1/6 apart, you'll need to use fasteners for the drywall on one end and anchor the opposite end of the unit to a stud. It extends and folds easily, though when extended it does feel slightly wobbly. So you'll need to be careful not to exert too much pressure on the board when ironing. Alternatively, you can set it up in such a way that the pointy end rests on something so the board stays stable during use. The board cover is made from 100% cotton, providing a smooth surface on which to place your clothes during ironing. The cover is removable and is therefore easy to clean and/or replace. In fact, it is washing machine and dryer safe, meaning you have a quick and easy way of keeping it clean. Number 1. Nisorpa wall-mounted iron board. With a width of only 7.55 and a length of 37.4, Nisorpa wall-mounted iron board is the perfect choice for anyone who's worried that they may not have enough space for an ironing board. Installing this board ensures that you have a convenient place to iron your garments and don't have to sacrifice the limited space you have for it either. Because the mounting plate is shorter than the 16 inches between any two wall studs, you'll need to reinforce your wall before attaching the unit to it, since you can't mount it directly to the drywall. The board has a durable steel frame and is sturdy enough for everyday use if you iron a lot of clothes regularly. It's made in a swivel design and rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to lock it to the left, right, or in an inclined position both when folded and unfolded. This also means you can adjust the positioning to suit you, whether you're left or right-handed. It comes with a cover that is made from 100% cotton. The cover is removable for easy cleaning and is, in fact, machine washable and dryer friendly. So you won't have a hard time keeping it clean. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.